Hi friends, welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. Today we'll see how to bake a Tres Leches coconut cake. First we make a coconut cake and then use three types of milk to soak the cake. And this cake is very tasty. The flavor of coconut and coconut milk which we use in this recipe takes the cake to a different level. To make this cake, we are not using any butter or oil. So let us see how to bake this cake. For that, we'll separate 3 eggs and we'll keep it aside. Here I have taken 100 grams of all-purpose flour or maida. Into that, we'll add half teaspoon of baking powder and mix it well. We can sift the flour and baking powder and keep aside. Into the egg white, we'll add half teaspoon of vinegar and a pinch of salt. There won't be any egg smell if we add vinegar. Beat the eggs till it reaches soft peaks. Add half of the sugar which we have taken. Here I have taken 100 grams of sugar. We'll add half the sugar into the egg white and beat it well till it reaches soft peaks. Now we'll beat the egg yolks. Add the remaining sugar. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And beat it well. Now into this we'll sift the flour and baking powder. And mix the flour into the egg yolk. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut milk. Here I have used store-bought coconut milk. We can use fresh coconut milk also, but the milk should be taken without adding any water. Thick coconut milk has to be used. Mix it well. Now we'll fold in the beaten egg white. Add 2 tablespoons of desiccated coconut. Fresh coconut also can be used. This can be added soon after adding the flour. I just missed it. Fold in the remaining egg whites. If you're new to my channel and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. To receive notifications of my new videos, please press the bell icon and select all option. Thank you. The cake batter is ready. This should be the consistency. We'll transfer it into a greased baking tray. If you're using a round baking tray, you can use a 7-inch tin. We'll bake this at 160 to 170 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. Meanwhile, let us make the tres leches. That is a mixture of 3 different types of milk. Here I have taken 1.5 cup of normal milk, half cup of thick coconut milk and half cup of condensed milk. Mix it well and keep it aside. The cake is beautifully baked. While it is still hot, we'll poke holes like this using the fork. And into this we'll add our tres leches, that is 3 different types of milk mixture. We'll not add the entire milk at one go. First we'll add 1/3 of the milk, allow it to soak, and then add it second time. After it is soaked, we'll add the remaining milk. The sponge cake has beautifully soaked in the milk. We'll decorate with whipped cream. This is purely optional. And garnish with some desiccated coconut. We can use fresh coconut, and after slightly toasting it on stove top, and then add some slivered almond. This is a very easy recipe and super delicious, soft and moist cake. So please do try the recipe. You will love it. Let me know how it turns out. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share and comment. Your comments are my motivation. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.